Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce this telescopic sliding gate to you. The telescopic sliding gate is the space-saving gate compared to a typical sliding gate with a single leaf. It is made up of 2 or 3 leaves that overlap each other when opening. It is occupying less space. Because there is a chain transmission mechanism, so the first leaf of the gate body will move together at the same time with the second leaf. The operation time of the telescopic sliding gate is faster to open and close than a single leaf sliding gate. Even if you only have little space, the telescopic gate allows you to have a wider passageway, and it does not occupy the internal space that can be dedicated to the garden. And there is one post is required for the support of the stable operation of this telescopic gate, and this post is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. To operate the gate, the motor must be applied to the second leaf of the gate body, where the rack is to be installed. Rail is required for this telescopic gate, and this is our standard galvanized steel rail. All designs in our catalog can be made into telescopic sliding gate. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us. This is a EPE form package for FCL full container loading, and this one is plywood package for LCLC shipment, and we also have wooden craft package for container loading. Thanks for watching.